Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, I Like to Cake. Today I'll be showing you how to make classic Snickerdoodles. This is a really simple, soft and chewy cookie with a cinnamon sugar coating on the outside. So let's get started. For this recipe, we're going to start with 1 cup of shortening and 1.5 cups of white sugar, and we're just gonna blend this together. Then we're going to add in our 2 eggs, but we'll add 1 at a time, mixing well in between each addition. Then we'll go ahead and add our dry ingredients. That's 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, and half a teaspoon of salt. When you're adding your dry ingredients, it's really helpful if you can sift it all together. This helps remove any lumps, and it also helps mix the dry ingredients together a bit more. And then we'll just mix all of this together. And that's all for our cookie dough. Now we can shape and coat the cookies and bake them. So in this small bowl here, I have 2 tablespoons of white sugar and 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. And we're just going to mix that together to form our cinnamon sugar for coating the cookies. Then we're going to grab some cookie dough and roll them into balls. The balls should be about the size of a walnut. And then once you have a ball of dough, go ahead and roll that in the cinnamon sugar, try to coat the whole thing, and just shake off the excess. Then place it on your ungreased cookie sheet, or if you want, you can still use a silicone mat or parchment paper just to be safe, but you don't actually need a prepared cookie sheet, you can just use it bare. So to make things a little more efficient, you'll see what I'm doing here is I'm first forming all of the balls, and then I'm going to roll all of them in the cinnamon sugar. It's just like an assembly line, makes the process a little bit faster. Then we're going to bake these in a 375-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes, and you'll see just a little bit of browning on the edges when it's done. You can also see that the tops will be a bit crackly. If they're still very smooth on top, it's probably not finished yet. So once you see the kind of cracked top like this, then you're good to go. Take it out of the oven and just let them cool on a wire rack and enjoy. You can find the full written recipe in the description as well. If you make these cookies, I'd love to share your pictures in one of my next videos. Just send your pictures to iliketocake.baker@gmail.com. Thanks for watching!